Hi everyone, my name is Shayna Carlson and I am the CTE Work-Based Learning Supervisor at Career Line Tech Center, but also Discover Manufacturing's Education Champion for Ottawa County. Thank you so much for joining us for today's webinar. We are hopeful that after viewing today's webinar, you're able to come up with ideas and activities that are engaging and exciting for students, your employees, and the community in general. Thank you again for watching today's webinar and your participation in Discover Manufacturing. We hope you have a great manufacturing week, and thanks again.